Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Do you want to automatically publish blogs on your Google Blogger related to your business such that whenever you add a new title to your Google Sheet spreadsheet, automatically the blog is created and published on your Google Blogger? Then this automation is for you. Here, with the help of this automation, you can automate this entire process of blog posting just in few minutes. If you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can do this, then let's start creating this from the beginning. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can create AI generated blogs for my Google Blogger. And for this, we are going to build the connection between OpenAI, Google Sheets and Google Blogger using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that are forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select Pabbly Connect Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find the workflows over here and the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow. I'm going to create it from the scratch. I'm going to name this workflow as automatically publish AI blog post from Google Sheets to Blogger, and now I'm going to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I am going to select it as AI agent and then click on create. Here, workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Now, trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I add a new detail or a new title in my Google Sheet spreadsheet, automatically the AI should generate the blog for my Google Blogger, and it should be posted to my Google Blogger, which means whenever I'm going to add a new title, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Google Sheets, and following this trigger application in my action application, I will be taking OpenAI and Google Blogger. Here in my trigger event, I'm going to select new or updated spreadsheet row and then click on connect. Now I need to make a connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. I'm going to follow the head test given below and build this connection. For that, I'm going to open my Google Sheets. Now this is the Google Sheets which I have created by the name Content Blog for Blogger, and then I'm going to go towards the extensions. On the top, go towards this add-ons and then click on this get add-ons. Here, Google Workspace Marketplace will appear in front of me, where I have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks, and you will see it will show installed because I have already installed this. After doing this, you have to make sure that you refresh your Google Sheets. And when you click on this extensions, now you can see this Pabbly Connect's webhooks over here. So you have to click on this initial setup. As you click on this box will appear in front of you, where you have to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So this webhook URL is the same URL which I'm provided in my workflow. I'm going to copy this webhook URL, paste it over here, and then I'm going to enter the trigger column. So the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that data will be sent to the webhook URL. Here my final data entry column is column E, which means whenever the data will be added in this particular column, the complete row data will be sent to my workflow. I'm going to click on the send test, and you will see test data sent successfully, and now I'm going to click on this submit, and you will see setup configured successfully, which means we have successfully added the webhook URL. Now I'm going to cross this. I'm going to go towards this extensions, click on this Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then click on this send on event. Now this step is very important. With the help of this step, whenever you are going to add data in the future in these fields, your data will be sent to the workflow. If I go back towards my workflow and check whether I have received the response or not, here it is, we have received the response. The trigger column which we entered was E. We have the word count here, the tone, the title, target audience, spreadsheet name, and everything. So as soon as I have received the details, we can see the connection setup is working fine, and now whenever there will be new detail added here, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Over here you can see that I have the same details only. So these are the same details. You can check this. The future of automation in digital marketing, AI automation in digital marketing, target audience, digital marketers and agency owners. So here we have received the same details only. Now moving on towards the next step. Whenever I receive a new data, I want to create a blog out of that. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application I'm going to search for OpenAI. You can select the AI agent according to the requirement, and then in the action event I'm going to select ChatGPT and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and now to make this connection I have to enter the token. To enter this token I'm going to click on the hyperlink, and it has taken me towards the API keys page of OpenAI. To create a new token, I simply have to click on this create new secret key. First you have to provide the key name, then you have to select the project, which is default project. The permissions will be all, and then you simply have to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you have to copy and paste that over here. Here I have entered the token. I'm going to click on this save, and you will see ChatGPT or OpenAI will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Here it is, connection created successfully. Now I have to select the model. In this drop down you can see all the models. I'm going to select GPT-4o mini. You can select this according to the requirement, and then in the prompt I'm going to enter whatever response I want to receive. So here in the prompt I'm going to write that these are the details which I have captured from my Google Sheet spreadsheet, and I want to create a blog for my Google Blogger, so kindly create in this pattern. I'm going to enter the prompt like, so this is the prompt. You are an expert SEO blog writer. Using the Google Sheet data provided below, create a high quality, engaging, SEO optimized blog post. Now I'm going to enter the title, keyword, audience, tone, word count, and then I've added the rest of the details of how I want this blog to be created. I'm going to enter these details but not manually here. I'm going to map it. Now over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. So over here I'm going to enter the keyword as this, the audience as, the tone as, and the word count 800. Also we have the title. So here the rest of the details were also like this. Instructions, where I have added all the details. Write a conclusion, remove extra signs and symbols, return only clean content suitable for direct publishing on Google Blogger. If you want to get that in HTML, you can simply enter that also. I'm going to click on save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. And here I have received the response. If I scroll down, I can see all the details. In the message content, I have my blog, the future of AI automation in digital marketing. We have the introduction, we have the rest of the fields like this. We have the importance and the rest of the details. We have the FAQs which we asked in the prompt itself. So here we have received the detailed blog, and we can publish this to Google Blogger. This is a well-researched blog which we have generated using my AI agent OpenAI, and now we are going to publish it. For that I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application I'm going to search for Google Blogger. In my action event, I'm going to select create a post and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this sign in with Google. Choose your Google account with which you have logged in your Google Blogger, and after choosing that account, grant away the permission and click on this continue. Connection created successfully. Now I have to enter these details. In the blog ID, I'm going to select as my blog only if I open my Google Blogger account. So over here you can see that I am working on this my blog only, and I have selected that. Then in the title, I am going to map the title from the Google Sheets, and then in the content I'm going to map the content which I received from OpenAI. Then the status, you can select the status according to the requirement. I'm going to keep it as draft only. Is draft yes, and then I'm going to skip these fields. If you want to enter, you can enter following the help desk given below these fields. After entering all these details, I'll hit save and send test request. Let's wait for the response, and we have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Let me open my Google Blogger, and I'm going to refresh this page once, and here it is. We can see that this is in draft mode. I'm going to open this, the future of AI automation. If I click on this preview, this is how my blog will appear. So this is the blog which we have generated, and we have shared that to Google Blogger. You can review this from here, you can edit this, and then you can directly publish it. This is how we have created the automation between Google Sheets, OpenAI and Google Blogger using Pabbly Connect. I have attached a link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. Before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.